Today we made sweet potato with the homemade sauce and basil and the eggs. Hi everyone, buongiorno a tutti. This is a sweet potato which I picked a few days ago, and today we got to cook. This was a 2.2 kilo and 700 grams. Bit rough, but doesn't matter. Once we clean, it'll be beautiful. I pull my potato in slices, and then we gotta cook this in the sauce. Just put some extra virgin oil in the pan. Just cover the bottom. Here I got some onions, fair bit onions. I got some garlic, some basil. This is the basil better than parsley. This will give extra flavor. We have to enter the season with the basil. Lucky we found some. Just to mix a little bit. Now we can put the sweet potato in. Now we'll let it cook until the edges start to turn a bit golden. A bit of pepper. And a pinch of salt. It's ready to put the sauce in there. This is how I made the sauce. Tomato and basil. Now they're gonna cook, finish to cook. Oh, well, it's harder than now. Could be another quarter of an hour, when the boil comes up. And then we'll try. If it is a bit long, we'll leave a bit long. Now you can put the lid on, but just leave a little bit open. Just like that. So now I'm gonna just break individual eggs. We got half a dozen eggs. We normally will have it this way. So you got your sweet potato plus one egg. You toast a bit of bread and it's a meal. Gotta put the lid on because it'll create a bit of moisture. Parsley, we love parsley and it's so good for you. Everything's cooked. I'm gonna try a little bit. What do you reckon? Buon appetito. So delicious, sweet, and the egg and the parsley goes really well with.